right, you welcome back. Yes, not still the morning show, and we all just day very, very wonderful, and we day very happy. It's a happy day, the day after independence. All right, we get one casual person inside the studio. Very casual, trust me. Now, this person, I would just need to give you one or two things what you need to know about this casual person when we get inside the studio. In a great broadcaster, like us, yes, and a voice. His voice can do a lot of wonder. Oh. No wonder him that person where they actually broadcast for inside Wobudo Naija. Now they say he start out broadcasting while he there for inside university, where he start one mini radio studio where they call the Voice of Agriculture. Now, after he don't graduate from University of Agriculture for inside Abeokuta, he can work with radio station for inside Lagos, where they can give him platform for him to anchor one program where they call Campus Gyration. Now, since then, he don't do plenty things where concern the media. Now, he they work for one media house for inside Wobudo Naija. But you need to understand, say, this particular person where we get for inside the studio, that person will come from Edo State, Auchi precisely. People go know and say, he married one Kajat person in blessed memory, Kefi, the Branama singer. Join me, welcome Teddy Esosa Momo in the studio. All right, good to have you here, Ted.
Yeah, good to be here. Do Kajat.
Give us that voice with the talk say for your profile.
I'm Kajat to be here.
No, the fact say, they look Teddy, they wonder when he go takes, how he go take survive the pidgin matter.
He go survive.
How you go talk like this? A whole Edo guy. We don't carry last
I would cheap.
You don't hear the way they talk, they funkify the pidgin.
We don't carry last now.
They funkify the pidgin.
We don't carry last.
All right, so make we enter the matter. A lot of people know, say, you be astute
broadcast.
I be like you now.
Yeah, they do the kind of work. You know, but really, media don't with this.
All right, so
why
look, I just
laughing? Why are you making it?
No.
Let me articulate my
Friday. We're happy.
Don't worry, a lot of weirdness they inside the video, inside the studio, maybe because Chika get cold, so a lot of us.
Chika do you? Leave Chika alone.
Cold everywhere.
Leave Chika alone.
This is feeling like a whiskey.
This
is feeling like a whiskey situation. But I wanted to ask you, because media is moving now. A lot of us that used to do traditional media, where you go call either radio or TV, now we don't move on to like online and everything. Do you think this is changing broadcasting as we know it? A lot of young entrants are coming into the business, and many of them are beginning to do it a little different from how we used to do it. What do you think is going on?
That's, like they always say, the only constant thing in life is not change. Change is not the only thing. So, I mean, this is part of what, I'm a Christian.
Of course.
You understand now? As a Christian, the Bible don't talk something, say at the last days, the knowledge of people would be expand. So,
are you entering pastor now? Because this one way down the talker like, as a Christian,
I thought
you can't punch ya.
Yeah, so this is prophecy fulfilled. So this is just part of it. So wherever you day, and like for me personally, I have this mantra: get better every day. So definitely, if me personally, I'm getting better every day, then talk about the media itself. The media should get better every day. And so all these other avenues, it's just an agenda. No one go that part. It's an agenda towards something.
Something.
Yes.
Spiritual.
Yes, very spiritual. Very spiritual.
All right. Since you're not a broadcaster, but basically you're not actually a journalist. Now, one of the issues where we get in terms of the media now, misinterpretation of stories. Now, we know say the new media don't come, maybe online, to actually take the place of being a journalist when you not even go to school. Now, waiting broadcaster as well as journalists feed you to make use of the media effectively.
There's something about that you can't change. Like for me, I'll tell you this: news, either good or bad, na news. So it now depends on who is actually accepting it. So a lot of times, a lot of people won't talk some news about me. They'll it concern me. So, but the thing is, those who are in the business will, like, if I hear a particular news now, like, okay, this person didn't even do any research on this, so he wants, but that's why I'm saying that news, not news. At that particular time, this person wants to trend. Everybody wants to trend. Even on a bad thing, he do, and it's not even correct. At that particular time, he wants to trend, so he's achieved his motive. So There's nothing we can do about it.
Nothing.
It's
It
just
don't come
nothing.
stay.
That
Yeah.
come to stay. All right. A lot of people would identify maybe. I know personally, say they do a lot of things to push for your wife of blessed memory. Everybody knows that Kefi was a favorite of mine. Very, very great singer. But what is the foundation doing? I know say recently when I celebrate how many years? It don't reach like
just 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
It just sometimes some things are just it never goes away from you. It never. When I play Kefi, it just feels as if she's just right here with us.
Nah, she's always here.
Yeah. So tell me, what is the foundation doing, or tell us a little bit about that.
You know, the first thing she actually did when she became Kefi, was forming her foundation. And the foundation actually came as a result of, there was this time there was this uprising in this South. And so she felt that, I think I'm a face in the South. If I can actually talk to my people, things go better. And actually she did that. And so that's how the foundation came into existence. It was called the Kefi Peace Foundation. And, from time to time, she goes into displaced people, and then we modified it to homeless. They modified it to the orphanages, and then she also partnered with actually we are members of Red Cross. So Red Cross in time sometimes they use celebrities. So she was part of the celebrities they use to actually do most of the job. So now that she's no more, we still want to continue that. Yes.
Yeah.
So even better now, because there were some people which she just carried. Then she just carried some people which she wanted to train for school before she just left. So we now find that no, these people, we must help them. So right now we're trying, personally, me, myself, and I, and we're just trying to just make sure that these people then go to school complete. And that's basically what we're doing right now. Just trying to make sure that these people finish their school.
So what kind of partnership are you looking at? Say now people now they join hand with the foundation, or is something that you're doing like a solo effort, or what things are you doing? Like maybe you're going to be doing walks, or you're going to be doing some things that is going to push the foundation forward, really?
For now, it's just me, but I'm hoping that's why I have avenues like this. So maybe if you're watching and you're a lover of Kefi, you might just want to partner, and let's make sure that this dream of these people come to pass. While they are living their dream, this is actually making us feel that Kefi lives on.
Wow, to just get some make people understand. Waiting be the dream of the people, as in waiting you they actually
basically for these people to finish their school.
Finish school.
Yes.
Just to finish school right
just
now.
Make sure they finish their school. Yes.
Okay, so I beg if you want to actually join.
Is there like a website, or is there like for social media handle that people can follow to be able to do? Maybe they want to join.
Right. The management right now is under 411 Concept. So basically everything is managed by 411 Concept. So 411 Concept is the one packaging this stuff for Kefi Peace Foundation.
So no website for it? For now, no.
Work in progress.
So no way to contact you.
Yeah, like maybe your social media, because the world has gone really tech, and everybody wants to be a part of it. Like a lot of people know Kefi across the country, and they're like, wow, she has a foundation, I want to be a part of it. Okay, where can we go? How can we reach you? Is it social media? Are they going to look for Teddy, or they're going to look for Kefi Foundation?
Or 411?
Okay, all the information we pass it through her Twitter handle.
Okay.
So if you can follow her on her Twitter handle is at Kefi1. Kefi1. Kefi is KEFE1. All the information so you need to get, you get them when I have our Twitter handle. Yes.
All right, just go on top Twitter, KEFEE1, and then you will see all the information there. Now, away from the project, we will still talk about them briefly. I just want to know how life after the demise of your
a lot of people don't think that widowers have issues.
I'm telling you.
Yes, they think that it's like a walk in the park. A lot of women that are maybe widowed would say, okay, this is how it is. Is it different for a guy?
Very different. Because the thing is, a guy we don't cry too much, so you don't know. But the thing is, if you don't cry, then your heart cries, and the heart is actually the most dangerous part of the body. So it's I'm the person who certainly like to talk negative things, but I will say this, that it is well. But if I want to talk the affirmative, it's not been easy. this is the love of my life. This was actually my number one true love. People who knew me for the industry were thinking I was gay one time because most of them, they never, I mean, since I've been in the industry for close to about 18 years, never ever seen with any girl. So most of the time they always see me hang out, and most of the time with guys. I mean, they telling that gay, you know, that kind of thing. So she was like the first person who would say they really can't see you with. You know, and then and she was actually the very first because I wasn't even thinking about. I mean, seriously. I don't think about women though. I'm telling you, I'm one kind of weird person. I wasn't even thinking about women, you know. Then I can't look my age. Say, man, this guy, you're old though. Yeah. You know, and I was like, okay, now maybe settle down. And then I finally got her, and now.
So it has
you would not have been. It took you a long time to find something, and then suddenly the thing comes
away from you.
You know, you can't imagine. Say, what's it? I want to start up again.
So are you going to start again?
I want to start up. I want to start out now. Yeah. I'm telling you, you know, that's the whole confusion in my brain right now. How I want to start out again. Some things will pass. Person will say you won't call it toast again now. I want it toast.
But you have to now not forget say Kefi Foundation still they own for you to actually come partner. We have to keep her name going. We have to live up to the legacy we should actually live on ground. If you want to support our foundation, just enter our top Twitter, type KEFEE1, and then you go see all the things what you need to do to actually support her. I beg, make we act as if say she did with us.
No, she lives on. She lives on, and then also a rejuvenation of her album. She actually just repackaged this. Yeah, she repackaged this. You know, just like all of the whole Brandman, new Brandman 1, Brandman 2. So she packed them, put that inside here, and then this was the very last album she released before. Yeah, at the Demise, and then this one,
beautiful.
Yes, then this was what she was working on. This one and the one which they work on. These were projects she was working on, and I just felt that this project just died. So we actually released this. You remember the last time she came this thing? She told you that she was releasing 2 CDs.
Yeah.
The first one was Chorus Leader, and the second one will be Beautiful. Yeah. So this is finally the Beautiful. She released the Chorus Leader.
Chorus Leader too.
Yeah, she released the Chorus Leader, but she wasn't able to release the Beautiful. But I said her dream must live on. So we have released the.
Oh, so you not launch? I'm no.
We could do. Everything small. I'm looking at.
You know, say when it comes to man has a way of their own ways, no be like woman way. But we're going to be giving you updates as everything comes together because we're going to make sure that it's very fabulous and it's something that lives. Truly epitomizes who Kefi was.
Yes.
Very, very dear friend. But these albums, they're going to be dropping. And once it drops, you're going to buy it out of solidarity because a lot of money that will be put into this album will be pushed into our foundation to be able to do something that she really, really enjoys. All right, thank you very much, Teddy. Say you come inside the studio today.
Yeah,
we hope from time to time as new things about you. Are you still doing radio?
Yeah.
Yes, now he's still.
Me, I be radio man for when they retire. Even when I don't old, they say, you're listening to Teddy.
Yes. All right, we'll see the on top of the Good Morning Naija show. We'll see get some other guests who will join us inside the building, but we're going to need to buy a break.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.